I just got a new idea because facts. Facts. Um let's how can I explain this? I just got an idea. Okay, so with this right here, after this is done, this right here, oh no. After this right here is done, I can just make a new one. Can I make a new one inside of this? Pretty sure I can. I'm just gonna not making exports, but do it inside of a function. Um, it's not that. Trust me, it's not that. It's the fact that I want I want to hold it, let me show you. Uh is this gonna open up? I want to have the names of the meals in there as well. But then that would make me, regardless, I'm going to have to set up a document with the name of the order that is ordered, of the meal that is ordered, to get what I want from here, which is the names. So if I, where is it? Where are we? If I select all 6 of these, it's gonna go over 500 because it's not just this text right here. It's adding in quotations and spaces and slashes and stuff, and it's not parsed. Uh, it already is. Right. Sorry. 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 Right here. Oh, I don't have it yet. I don't have the orders thing made yet. Also, hold up. Let me look at this now. Metadata. Where is metadata? Where did all that go? I had it. Where did I have the metadata at? It was somewhere in here. There we go. Okay. Under customer email, this is where the metadata was. All right. I had it right here. Now, this wasn't. This was in there. This was in there. And if I go by the data, no, actually, no. If I go by the data, Yes, and I wasn't able to get the name of the thing from it because I never knew how to access the Firestore with the ID given, and it wouldn't translate. It wouldn't translate. How can I explain this? It wouldn't translate on the Stripe page, on the Stripe checkout page. It was just giving the ID of the document. I wasn't able to capture it because it'll just send in like the JSON data, which would just be the ID and the quantity, and I wouldn't have enough like time to access the database. Actually, uh, so I'm not using this. I just wanted to keep this just because. So now, I'm passing an email, right? Okay. Now, I'm gonna add all this to a document, and then I wonder. It probably won't be this. It'll be const order details on document created. Let's do that. On document created. I had an idea earlier, and they said that it was like that it wouldn't work, but I don't know if this would work because it's a global variable. But after this document is made, I have this right here that's now assigned to the ID of this document. I'm assigning it to this. It's out of scope. It's global. Like it's a global variable. So now it's being assigned right here, and then whenever we get to emailing the customer, I can just access. Theoretically, I can just access that ID. I can't. And I will replace. Theoretically, I will replace the ID with that. Okay, what would be the other worker? Oh, this is. Would I have to make a new one? Oh. I may have to just execute. This type. Huh? Would I use this there? If I were to make another export dot on document created. In order to make, because I want to start making a collection of all the orders in one collection. I want to make this into a cloud function basically, but I need this ID to make it work. Okay. Why would I not be able to? The fact that I can't use this doesn't it makes it complicated. Because I need to keep track of the orders. Wait a second. Crap. I need to keep track of the orders. Like, to not only have them in the Stripe dashboard, but have them in the in a Firestore collection, in a Firestore document. So that if it ever needs to be traced, it's gonna be here, but then I have more flexibility as far as what data to collect and how I want it to be displayed. And I'm also not limited by a 500 character limit in the metadata. Wait. Okay, all right. I'm figuring it out in real time, so I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to brainstorm stuff. So I might as well delete this. And this. And this. Then is there something I can pass in here, like an argument or something? When I do a request, on request, because whenever I do this, my webhook, the request of this. Huh. No, that would mess it up. I was thinking, would I change this into a on document created? But no, that would just mess it up. There has to be something that I can do to hold up. No, second no. Okay, how would I be able to pass data in between cloud functions? I just want to figure out if that's even possible. There are several ways you can do it. Yeah, well, associated with the checkout. Associated, well, associated with the ID of the order document. Using Firestore as an intermediary. Dot set. What? All right. What? There's nothing. What's wrong? Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just save the checkout and query for. Okay. Save the checkout. Okay. All right. Come on. Let me chat. Ow. Okay. Check out session ID. Or would that be in here? What the heck? Why are so many? Wait, what? Huh? Huh? Ow. Huh? Okay. Why is that reading as ever? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Payment ID. This is the customer ID. When you create the checkout session in the function, save the. Oh, that's what AI tried to do this morning, but it doesn't. It isn't in. I searched the this. What would be like? Is this the ID? Because it tried to make a field that didn't exist in the JSON of it. It didn't exist. So this save this with the order that oops. What? Wait. Oops. Would I be looking at the request or response body? I'll be looking at the request. The request. Let me copy this. Why can't I copy this? Okay. And you said it's a response from this, and this is okay. What does the response say? Client reference ID null. What the heck? I can't use null. Huh? And this. Let's try. Oh, I already have it. Okay. So when you create the checkout session in the function, save it with the order. And then in the webhook, just take the ID sent to the. Wait. Are these the same things? This was made. This is the last one. This was the last one made before I went off to work this morning. So let's go to the webhook and see if these line up first. Crap. Wait, that's not it. This is it. So let's go right here. Response. Just to make sure. Okay, so they line up. Cool. Okay. Now, because I already have that, and then in the webhook function, you just take the ID sent to the web. Wait. So I kind of. Okay. I'm thinking about if I even need. I'm going to comment this out. Now, the request.id. Not doing that. In my webhook, response.rawbody. I wonder if rawbody would have the ID in it. Event equals event dot oh, it would be event dot ID then. Event dot ID what? Ah, crap. Well, I thought about that, but that's data dot object. And if I'm going through data, data is not. Oh, those are two different things. Oh. Okay, so it will be that. Okay. Oh, snap. I kind of already have. ID. Because this is CS test.id. What did that say? Payment intent? What would be the payment intent on that? Something different. How did I get? Okay. So from there. Give me a minute. You'll think I'm... Is there anything else to... Hello. Is there anything else? Uh-oh. I have a phone call. I will be getting off, but I will be back on later because I have to finish the rest of this out. But I'll be back. I'll be back.